Hello everybody, good morning. Okay, so I thought we could start off today's stream with just finishing off the art from yesterday. That is what we are going to work on. Hi Tommy. Let's see, turn the music up a little bit. Okay, let's do this. I thought having the ground be white might look a bit nicer. So I may start. That's what this looks like. Yeah, that actually looks. I think I might go for like a white ground instead of the like sandy texture like the grass. And have all the cars be really bright. Yeah, that stands out really nice. Actually, let's make a Twitter post quickly. Stream. The thumbnail in there. Pixel art. Actually, we can just hashtag Brackeys Game Jam. And campaign act. Smiley face, as always. We need to link that. The URL. Yeah. Let's just open this up. Oh, look. There we go. An emoji. Is that like a nice like spacey emoji? Like Milky Way galaxy. Something nice and chill. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Let's tweet that. Okay. Always gotta like my tweet. Okay. So let's do this art. Okay. Let's see the road. I think making this a bit lighter will probably look nicer. GabDev, hello. How are you guys doing? Dude, maybe if this was brown, that could look nice. That's quite a like neutral tone as well, so that's just like kind of blend in. That's okay. I think that's a good size. And then I think if we have like different types of colors, I'm not really sure I'm gonna get the traffic system working, but we'll see. I think for now let's just keep it simple, just have one color. Maybe it's more blue. Okay, yeah, let's keep it like that for now. I think then you have to work on this like building skyscraper thing. Hi Stevie. Yeah, I like the dinosaur from yesterday. That turned out really nice. Okay, that turned out really nicely. I think this looks a bit nicer. The cars kind of blend in as well. If we have from like different car colors, that could work. Okay, for the building, not really sure what I want this. I'll have a look at Into the Breach, see what that kind of looks like. Get some inspiration. You can just get a bunch of games that look nice. Put them up on the screen. See, mini motor, that's a good one as well. How loud? Okay, I think that's good. Turn on slightly. Motorways. Yeah, if we made the buildings like really bright colors, I'm not sure how that would look. I'm gonna see how, like, what do we want to like? So the dinosaur's most important thing. Then actually, maybe we should do a crater first. That could. I'm trying to think. Maybe instead of blue, this could be a different color. Like if we made this like a really light yellow. That looked nice. So yeah, I think maybe some sort of shade of yellow would be better. Let's just see. We just move that. Something like that could be nicer. If we made that a bit more like bright and then have maybe something like an orangey dark color. Okay. Yeah, let's make this like a bit more saturated. That looks okay. Maybe a bit less green though. Not sure if that was orange. Okay, yeah, that kind of looks nice. So we need some more colors to make it. Let's preview a bit bigger. Okay, let's find. We want a lighter color for the outline. Much like a very off-white kind of. Yeah, much brighter. Okay. I think this needs to be a bit more orangey. I think that would look nicer. Kind of have like a sand kind of vibe. Yeah, something like that. Like, and if you have all the characters be really bright and the background's quite like dull, desaturated kind of look. Okay, yes, that I like that. I like that. I think this a bit more saturated, but I like the outline. That looks nice. Trying to balance the. That looks okay. A bit more orange. Saturation. I want to try to like blend it in with the white, but have it be quite bright as well. Find a nice balance between that. Okay, that's perfect. There we go. That looks nice. So then if we just get a really dark orange, this last one. Let's see, maybe it's like really shift it to red a lot. Okay, that looks nice. I like that. And then for the road, if we make that just a bit more dark, maybe. We could try and blend it in a bit more, make this like darker orange. Or should we use these colours? Something like that. Make it like a sandy road. That could work. Like that. Hello. Hi Rush. Hey.
It is I, Arcade Endo, king of the arcades, ruler of the arcades, supreme emperor.
Nice. Helping really helping with the chill vibe. I love it.
Yes. Arcades, supreme So what are we doing?
I'm doing some pixel art if you want to have a look. What do you think of this? Like this kind of vibe stuff.
I like orange dinosaur.
Yes, I like orange dinosaur, yeah. I think this blends too much with this.
I like it.
Yeah.
It looks very nice.
Hmm.
I like the color palette as well.
Yeah. I think if we make this like grey, maybe. No. I don't know if I have an outline or not. Maybe I should just completely get rid of the outline at all.
Maybe you could add a sort of a brown outline for the dinosaur because it's an orange color.
Yeah, maybe. I'm trying to work out if I want to do outlines in this game or not. Like, what if I did just
I think if you do an outline, it's going to be a bit weird on the legs.
Yeah. I think I might just go no outline in this game, just see how it looks.
Hmm.
So that. Okay, so we made it like a tiny bit. Or that. Make it like that. Looks okay. That's actually like that's passable. I think if I make these two blend a bit nicer. I'm trying to think how this will tile before it look like really way too bright. I think make this. I can try adding something to break these out. They look very thick once they're tiled.
Ow.
There's Toby look on them. Like that. Yeah, Toby stands out really well on that.
I think it looks nice.
Yeah, I think if I make these two a bit more similar, just so it doesn't really stand out as much. If I make this color it's a bit more like this one. And if I just start with the dark one and then I work my way down, it'll make it a bit brighter, a bit less desaturated. So that looks okay. That's okay, I think a bit brighter. Maybe a bit more saturated. Okay, if I just stick with that, maybe. I might just try this, see how it looks. Actually, quickly do the buildings first. Let's do buildings, yeah. So the buildings are a blue color then. So no outline. How are we gonna do this? Let's see. Maybe we just like block in the colors for now. So the bit at the top has to be brighter. That's where the sun is coming from. Let's see. That kind of like silhouette shading. I think a bit taller. I mean, it's like way taller. It's coming off the roof. Sure.
What are you going to name the game?
I don't know.
I have an idea. Game, monster,
Game
dinosaur.
monster. Just put all those, just string words together.
Exactly. Game, monster, dinosaur. Epicness at its peak.
Wow. It just inspires creativity.
Exactly. Speaking of creativity, I finished Minecraft. I finally finished programming it, and it's going to be ready for release soon.
Ooh.
Yes.
Wow, he's just coming for the number one spot there.
I think I'm going to call my company Mojang.
Mojang or Mojang?
Mojang.
Mojang. That's good.
Yes.
Mojang's already taken. Let's see. I'm trying to find some nice building designs. I don't want to outline, so how do I do a building? Actually, Stevie, you sent one yesterday. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. So something like
Into the breach.
that could
Breach.
work.
Into the breach preview. FTL follow-up is a meh.
Let's just try in some windows to this. See how this looks.
Ooh.
Well, it doesn't look good, but it's gonna prototype that for now. Trying to see. Let's have a look at that other game I was looking at yesterday. What was that called? You've Been Possessed, wasn't it? For the GMTK Game Jam.
You've been possessed.
Yeah, that's the one, that Pixar game we were looking at yesterday. You've Been... Okay. Let's just run that game too. This art looks very cool. Yeah, so their player, their player and stuff is kind of like semi-shaded with the body, and then their environment stuff is not shaded. So if I go for something like that kind of vibe.
That would be nice. Oh yeah, the legs and the body are shaded, but the head is...
Okay. Yeah, I think something like this kind of style. That looks nice. Okay, so let's see. So if we make the buildings look very chunky. So what's the ratio we have? Yes, we should like copy it. So this should be 10 by 10, I think. Yeah, that's 10 by 10. Okay, and then this is, what's that? That is 10 by 9. So for me, that go down one. So that's like a 1-to-1 ratio, kind of. And if we do that for the same for the buildings, or for like half it maybe. So how tall's that? That is 13. So if we like make that one smaller, I'll make that 12. Oh my god. We make that 12, there we go. Then if we get like 6, duplicate that, and then we can make that darker. Oh my god. Okay. Let's make that brighter. That could work. How does that look on like a tile? That looks okay, I think. It kind of takes up the next one though, so we just shrink it all. No. Hi Cucumber Guru. Hello.
Yay, Cucumber Goro is here.
Yes, your #1 fan. I don't know how to get... Oh, there's buttons. I'm just gonna keep...
By the way,
back.
I have a very interesting idea for a new game. Okay, so you play as an astronaut, okay, on a spaceship, and you're with a bunch of other astronauts, and you need to do tasks. But one of the astronauts is evil and tries to kill you, okay, and sabotage the spaceship. What do you think?
That sounds very interesting. It may take like a couple years to get big, but I think in the future that could be the next big game, definitely.
Yes, I'm planning to release it in 2028, and I'm hoping it's going to blow up in 2030.
Okay. Yeah, setting good goals for the future. So the idea said in the first 2 comments implies that chaos and control, like it has a reason to happen. Yeah. So I think the way I'm going to do this is the chaos is going to be like kind of what you're doing. So you're like trying to help people out. Yeah, you're trying to like save them from this massive crater. But by doing that, you're kind of like destroying the city at the same time. So it's kind of like you're kind of like a naive monster in a way. You're like trying to do the right thing, but you're kind of destroying everything at the same time. I think that's the take I'm doing on this. And these are the buildings that you're hopefully going to be able to knock over. So they don't look very good right now. So let's see if I can make that look nicer. You've had some sort of shading around the edge, maybe. So these are only 1 tile tall. So maybe if I do that, make these a bit more smaller. Maybe thinner, and then that'll make them look taller, even though they're like a bit small. Make them like half the size. Okay, yeah, that looks a bit better, I think. Never drawn pixel art buildings before. Let's see.
Pixel art is very pog. It's a kind of a major thing in FNAF games, through the mini games.
I'm not very good at pixel art though, and it's showing now. Okay, let's Google some top-down pixel art. Get some inspiration. Top-down pixel art. pixel art buildings. Let's see. These are very like Stardew Valley-esque. Let's do city instead. Pixel art city. Low res. I say low res and everything doubles in size. Okay. Yeah, we could go for this like very minimalist style. Let's see. Those I like those red colors. Would they? Okay, no, dinosaurs. Red. I might make this more pink later on, because that might look nice. Let's see. Stardew Valley beat players Godzilla saving people from meteors by throwing them away. Yes, exactly. Then being the cast for yes. I don't know. This storyline has become very weird as this game is. I know. I'm hoping it'll be quite like simple to like teach the tutorial. You kind of just like chucking stuff. I'm hoping that like I can get the core like mechanics and stuff done really quickly, and then you spend loads of time on sound effects and stuff, make it feel really like juicy.
Are you gonna make the city look like Tokyo a bit?
Okay. That's actually another thing I was thinking about, having cities be like realistic cities based on like Tokyo, like London, New York.
I think the original Godzilla was in Tokyo.
Yeah. I think that would be quite cool, doing based off real stuff. I know that might take ages, so we'll see.
I think maybe if you base it off some smaller cities as well, it would be nice, because usually in movies it's like either New York, London, Tokyo.
Yeah, what I was thinking is having the tutorial stuff in these really tiny cities that not many people have heard of. Well, I say tiny, they'll probably still be big. The final cutscene has a meteor crack open to an alien creature that just does a funny dance with the credits. Yeah, I was thinking of having a starting. What could be fun is having like a starting cutscene where like the meteor is like coming down and crashing the sea. That could be really fun to animate. So I'm not great at art, so that might be really difficult. We'll see. There are like all these other things I want to add, but won't have time. I think focusing on cute graphics at this game is something I want to try and do. Okay. Now let's try this. Okay, let's make the roof a bit.
Dude's graphics are very cute.
Yeah. Okay, I think I like that perspective, I think. I'm trying to think what would be good colours. I want to add detail to this, but I don't want to outline. That's something I'm trying to avoid. So
is this one of the buildings?
Yeah, I'm trying to think of good colours for it. I think some sort of bluey colour would be nice. Let's go back. Oh yeah, the red colour.
Maybe if you do something between like blue and yellow. Maybe a bit leaning towards green.
Yeah. You know what I was thinking? What if we made the dinosaur green again and then have the buildings be like pinky red colour? That could be nice. The graphics look like you're a dinosaur working at a restaurant while cards to your customers. Yeah.
Maybe if the colour of the dinosaur is highly contrasted towards the rest of the background.
Yeah. I feel like this game might have like Overcooked vibes at the end of it. Yeah. I think I should look at Overcooked for inspiration when I'm like doing the level design and stuff. That would be quite good. Okay, let's try flipping these colours around again. Let's make this dinosaur green. Dark. That actually doesn't look too bad. Let's just keep it like that for now. I mean, work with the shading later. And then if these things are like red. If you have like a darker red. Okay, yeah, I definitely think that looks better. Maybe I want to make it a bit more pinky by the end. I think that'd be good. Now about the details though. Okay, so there are main pixels here, so we're going to try and be like conservative what we add. I think windows are important, so we should probably start thinking about them. Let's create like a small color palette for these. I'm kind of going off of this one now. Okay, so let's see. So let's make this a bit more pink. I think more colors down here. I think after today I might try and organize these colors a bit better.
Maybe a sort of a burgundy building as well.
Yeah, I think it's kind of something like that would be good. And then having, let's just use this one actually. Having a slightly lighter red, brighter for the top. something like that. That's a bit darker than before. Let's make this all just brighter, all of this. I think the buildings are interactable, so I think I'm going to have them quite bright. Just not as bright as a dinosaur or other stuff though.
Maybe you could add like a sort of shine to the buildings, maybe like a reflection.
Yeah, it's so low.
Just a bit of white every now and then.
Yeah.
On the building.
Okay, let's restart. Let's just copy this so we can compare these two. If we get that and make this a bit pink. Just make a tiny bit saturated, a bit more pink, a bit brighter. Okay, there, and then if we do the same for this one, make that a bit brighter, a bit more pink, a bit saturated. Okay, cut down on the pinkness. Okay, I think that kind of fits vibe. If we just made those colors a bit more similar, maybe. Less pink, a bit more pink. Ooh, too much pink. Okay. I might increase this like really slightly now. 7. Okay, I think that's good. I think that looks nice. It looks much smoother now as well. So do I think if it's a dinosaur though? Not as much.
I like the color.
Yeah.
Like a pearly emerald color.
I'm trying to think. Yeah, I like the dinosaur color now. I think that looks quite nice. The building though, I don't know. Maybe if we made this more orange, maybe if we went the other direction, made this more orange color.
Oh, maybe if you make the background of the game like the colors of a dawn, and you call the game Dawnosaur because it's a dinosaur in the dawn.
Going with the branding, yes. Ash, you've been quoted. I like the color Archidendra 2021. Yes. That will be my new banner. Okay, yeah, if we go in the other direction, it's more orangey then. Let's try that. So it's kind of like, it feels more part of the environment. You know what we could look at? We could look at Dubai for inspiration. That's kind of like Desert City.
Oh, yes.
Let's see. What kind of...
Maybe you could add a massive central tower like the Burj Khalifa.
Yeah. So if we made them buildings maybe more silver, more metal-y, that could work. Let's try orange first. Let's see.
I think one of the prominent colors in Dubai is goldy, orangey.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay, I like this. It just really doesn't go with the green, I don't think. So maybe a blue.
WH Dreamer has joined the chat.
What if the game was about a studio and you're working at Dawn and also you're a dinosaur and it could be called Dinosaur Studios and it would be a chaos kingdom? That would be fun. Making like a meta game like that would be very interesting. I know there was a game, but it was called like Game Dev Tycoon or something, and there was also YouTuber Tycoon. They were quite cool. I remember watching like Jacksepticeye or someone play that.
I had this idea for a game where you're in this school and then the school gets nuclear bombed, and then
all schools do.
A radioactive teacher comes after you and tries to kill you. I think it's
been thinking about this a lot.
Yes. In fact, the teacher was based off one of the people in the canteen.
Oh, lovely. Okay. I'm trying to think. Okay, I think we need to look at a bigger picture. What colors do we have for different things? So if we have like a yellowy color for our background, let's just make squares. A yellow color for background, either red or let's just say red for our dinosaur so far. Then what should our buildings be? This is hard. If Maybe if we go green for dinosaur like we had before, or like
Pico's school, but with a nuclear missile.
Very, very relevant.
Yes.
Oh wait, that wasn't you saying. Oh, it was a chat comment. Okay, pick a school with nuclear missile. Ah, okay. I thought it was just you just randomly saying that. Was confused. Okay.
It's not unlikely for me to just blurt out random stuff.
Honestly, that sounds like the type of thing you would say. I've got these like army colours here. These actually look very nice. They're like Game Boy palette.
It's green is kind of Game Boy.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to Into the Breach for inspiration. So their tanks or your mechs were like dark green, the buildings were grey. And then the red is used for UI. Okay. The green triangle is looking awfully like a cucumber.
Some inspiration from Cucumber Goro.
Yeah. Make that like, it's kind of like a cucumber.
They're very delicious.
That's some like detail. Wait. That's some like kind of like stripes. Kind of cucumbers kind of have stripes, don't they? I think they do.
Kind of vertical stripes. I think that's gonna look a bit more like a pickle than a cucumber.
Well, a pickle is a cucumber, so it works.
But it's a pickled cucumber.
Oh,
it's in
still a cucumber.
Yeah, but it looks.
There you go. Will you like rotate that? This will make it all look weird, but it's like beautiful. It's like a mush.
It actually makes it look
That's
better.
A very
Yes.
off rotten cucumber. Okay.
It actually looks like the globe, but stretched.
The globe is stretched. You just spread this
Yes.
out. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to drawing buildings. Okay. Maybe if we make the buildings blue and the dinosaur red, maybe we should try that. I'm just saying. Trying to think what the overall game should look like. Well, I'm like picturing in my mind right now. So the background's like this dull colour. We've got dinosaur. Then if we make the buildings like a light blue, let's try a light blue. Just keep experimenting till we find something right. Okay, that looks okay. That looks okay. If we move dinosaur back to red, then let's move that. Okay, I say that works. We could also try making the dinosaur black. That could work.
Maybe like the Google Chrome dinosaur.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a bit too similar to it, so I think if you go for slightly more original colors, it would be a bit better.
White.
Oh, I actually like this. Red face and black body.
Oh, red face, black body. That could. Yeah. I think the face
Like
need more
dark wool.
detail to make it work though. I don't really like the tail actually. Now looking at it in silhouette, I don't like the tail that much. So we should go back ahead of that. Honestly, that looks better, but it still looks a bit weird. Let's drag the dinosaur out. Why did I get that? I don't know. Unselect if it lets me. Okay. Let's restart. Oh, the eye color's the same. Okay, let's just ignore the eye for now. It's an eyeless dinosaur. Just remember the Wolfram Adventures with Anxiety is the same color as the dinosaur. Okay, I haven't heard of that game. So don't entirely, let's Google it. Adventures. I assume you're talking, are you talking about this? This does look like a very similar colour, so I assume so.
Wait, I think the dinosaur kind of reminds me of Super Meat Boy.
Super Meat Boy, yeah. If you just have a blood trail behind it the entire time. I was thinking about having footsteps and some sort of mechanic in this game, but I don't think it would fit. I don't know, there's something about, I just can't get the buildings stuff. Well, maybe we should just ignore the buildings now and then create a mock up with just what was it? Just the what am I trying to say? A mock-up with just everything but the buildings. Just have rows and then stuff. Meet dinosaur, metasaur, yes, metasaur. We got dinosaur, we got metasaur, we got all the different types of dinosaur. That could be a card game where it's just loads of different types of dinosaur. Like, have any of you guys played what's it called? Exploding Kittens. It's a very fun game.
Exploding what?
Exploding Kittens. So this.
How dare you explode kittens?
It's so
kittens
epic.
Have lives.
It has very, very cool art and it's very fun. It was like the #1 Kickstarter or something. Exploding Kittens. It's really, really nice art. All about kittens exploding.
Oh, that is.
No, look at the stream. Look at these. Look how cute they look. Yum yum yum.
Yeah, but why would you explode the kittens?
You would okay.
No.
Okay, maybe we should try cutting down the color palette completely. Make it just like one of these kind of like styles, like all minimalist. I'm not sure.
My cat is right here, and he heard you talking about exploding kittens.
So sorry.
He will come to your house, and he will I don't know, do something.
Oh god. So the chat just will update when I open OBS. Okay. Let's see.
What's left for the game jam?
How long left? Next Sunday is when it finishes. Midday next Sunday.
Nice.
Yes. Got a long time. Is Duskosaur your arch nemesis? Interesting. That's a very interesting question. Is Duskosaur arch nemesis? Oof. I'm gonna say no on that. Though, talking about Dawn and Dusk, I really like this Haley's background.
Wait, there's actually someone called Duskosaur.
I don't know. If they are, we'll have to find out. We can go Google it after. But on talking about Dawn and Dusk, I think I really like having Dawn in my name. It lets me have stuff like this that's technically on brand. But I've been creating a bunch of thumbnails and stuff that are just all based on times of day. So I have I think the one right now for this stream is like a morning one, so it's all this really nice blue and pink colour. It's really nice. Anyway, I keep on going on tangents because I don't want to make these buildings and I'm being very annoying. But focus time. Discord just went very weird there. Okay, anyway. Yeah, this was the horrible art we worked with yesterday, so let's try and make something better. Okay, so let's do a mock-up, yeah. Let's just remove the building. We just cut all the building stuff now. And we can add in the roads and stuff we are working with. I'm liking this lo-fi music, it's very nice.
I play Pokemon Go every day.
Polluting my screen.
Pokemon Go. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, I like these colours. Okay, I see you seeing orange. I do like these colours quite a lot, I think. I'm not sure if like a more desaturated version would be better, like more white colours, but I think this is nice. Let's try adding in some roads to this. So if we add... Actually, we need to make the crater as well, that's something to do. Okay, so let's make these... Okay, rotate that. I don't know why I rotate this pixel. I don't need to rotate, I can just draw a square. What's a U for that? Okay. So let's find this. Go up. Okay. See, how do we want to curve this? I think that's our alternative color. Maybe just that might just be fine. Yeah, just having like one pixel on the side. Gone. That's fine, and it keeps it quite simple as well for turns and stuff. Okay, so that's the road. Ooh, what if we have the cars be like yellow? Be like yellow New York taxis or whatever. That might reduce our color palette a bit further, make it a bit more clean. Don't like purple and yellow, just lean on the red side here. Yeah. I think. I'm not sure how I feel about these. I don't like this yellow colour that much, so we should try getting rid of that. Maybe make it more orange. Use the yellow colour for the window. That looks better. Oh, so the grid thing is the ground. What is it? Why is it beige? I'm trying to find like a nice color to make for that. It's like tactics kind of grid thing. I think grey is what I'm gonna go for. It has some sort of like deserty kind of theme to it. I was experimenting with green earlier. That didn't look super nice. Though maybe if we had a different dinosaur color, it would look better. I think I'm liking this for now though. I also tried white actually as well, but I think this yellow one's slightly better. This color I might change. That doesn't look very nice. This one's okay. That is not a nice color set. What if we try using these like dark ones? That looks better. It doesn't really look like a car now though. It's really rusty. This yellow color is better actually. So if we try working with this one. Okay, that looks a bit better. Yeah, that's definitely nicer than the other one. So if we just keep that for now. Not super big fan of it still though. Okay, let's try and make that nice and boxy and pretty. So how that look? Maybe the car should just be top down. I don't know. Okay, let's leave out for now. Let's go back to coding. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of these assets because they look very horrible. Let's keep the dinosaur. Dinosaurs. So let's go into the rows. Actually, we need to make these a prefab. Okay, so let's
Hello.
I'm moving on to coding stuff now. So that is paint all of this. So to a square. Let's see if it's nice for like blue for now. We can try this color, see how this looks. Let's keep experimenting. And then let's also make the roads. Let's just get rid of the one road for now. Actually, can I change the stream title now? Well, we're not really doing art now. Let's see. I don't know if you can change the title while you're actually in the video. Let's have a look. As usual. Oh, wait, yeah. Go here. Let's see here. Because I like my own video. Okay. End the video. Yeah, let's change title. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're working on. Let's see, what should we call that? Let's say working on let's just say coding for that kind of sounds kind of boring though. The coding traffic system, because I think that's what we'll end up doing. Actually, making Godzilla like tactics game. That's basically what we're doing now. Let's do that. That sounds quite interesting. Okay, so that is done. I think definitely looking into the British inspiration, I think would be good. So let's see. Let's replace this road quickly. It's just back to the normal squares. This one too. Square. Okay, nice. Honestly, I'm actually like this. I'm digging this color palette right now. This like white and blue. That looks quite nice. Let's see. Let's make this building kind of like a darker blue. Maybe this will be the color palette we go for. That looks quite nice. Okay. So let's also make this building a bit fit the grid a bit better. Yeah, I think the dinosaur is the same. I'm gonna make it suit the grid. So if we offset it, okay. Yeah, that's good. I've made the building a bit thinner. Doing this right. Okay, so 0.8, that could work. Let's see, I'm trying to think. One of these is quite tall as well. Let's offset that X again. Do you want to be taller? I'll say probably about the same size as the dinosaur. Yeah, if it's the same size as dinosaur, that could work. Let's make it thinner again though. Oop, that is not thinner. 0.6. I don't want the dinosaur to be like on it, but I've seen these different pixels. Okay, we'll have to sort that out after because these are, I don't think I imported it right. These pixels sizes. Let's just ignore pixel size for now. Let's just make everything a bit a bit tinier. 0.8, that's building. Okay, that looks fine. Let's just make it a bit smaller. Don't have to be exact for now. It's just prototyping it. And then let's also sort out these. Do we need colliders on them? Might as well, yeah. Probably later we need it. Let's see. Let's just squidge it down to just fit the body. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother doing it exact for now. Just have it rough. Okay. Let's copy 2.5 and -2. Okay. 2.5 -2. That is not minus. Why is it going down to me? Okay. That's good enough. Just mean that very slightly. Did I actually get? Okay, yeah. Slightly taller. Like that. And then let's squidge in this collider a bit. 6. And then it's just 0.2, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, so this whole game should just look a bit better now. Oh, I need to change the background camera. This isn't pushing now though. Okay, did I set the dinosaur position wrong? No, I didn't. I wonder why that is. Let's see. Maybe if we need to move both down, so when they round it, they actually round into the right tile. Okay, now it's letting me move, so there's definitely something wrong happening here. Okay. Let's just go into Visual Studio quickly. Open up the player. Okay, so yeah, so we're setting the position set objects. Let's go add a debug statement to that. Let's just go the name of our object. Object, and then say set to position, and then add in that position, which is just pause. Okay. Let's see, so we set 7, 5, and they're both set to the same one. Okay, so where's 7, 5? Let's see. 7, 5, that's weird. Both set to the same one. That is very strange. So how are we
Game Jam, Jam.
Yeah, Game Jam. Okay. So something here isn't working, but it was working before. So maybe if we just both put them back on the grid. Directly there. Do the same for the box. Does that fix them up? Yeah, it does. Okay, so this is a problem. Okay, so this is a problem with... I like these cars, these actually look quite nice. Okay, so it's a problem with them not being on the grid. So if we just make their sprite really offset instead, that should be better. So if we just set a sprite to half higher. Or just hit 0.5 across. Yeah. Okay, these rows off as well, so let's align them. But I think that's fine. Now, offset both their colliders as well quickly. Okay, that's better, that's working nicely. Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to do this. What else do we need? So we want to add interactions for the cars. I think that's going to be where the majority of my time is spent. Okay. So let's add in that rotation I wanted to do before. So if we have a fate, if we store a private vector and storing our, let's just call our look direction, and then when we move down, we can check if our look already equals that. And if it does, then we move. If it doesn't, then we're just going to turn. So that allows you to turn without actually moving in that direction. I think that'll be important later on. Look is equal to vector 2, we make this an int. Yes, we made that look is equal to our vector 2 in that direction. 2 up. Okay. So if it is equal to that, else we're just going to set it to that. And we have to do, okay, is there an easier, more clean way to do this? We're just going to repeat this over and over again. If we just create a quick function, void, should we make that a vector or void? Let's just we just call it check or set. Let's just call it set rotation. Or actually no, let's make that a bit better name. Set look direction. And then for that we can just take in a vector 2 int for our direction. And then we can do this quick check part here. So let me just set look direction to direction. Okay, yeah, so here what we're doing is we're just gonna check if we're actually looking, if our dinosaur character, Toby over here, is looking in our movement direction, and if he's not, we're gonna turn him instead of moving already. So you can like turn before you move, gives you a bit more control, and it should feel okay. Should feel quite nice. Okay, then here we'll set that again to our direction. Okay, so then for each of these, we can just set look direction equal to vector2.int.up. Just copy that for all of them. And for each one, we can do down, left, right. And right, okay. So spell that right. There we go. Okay. So that should work. Then we just need to create some player sprites. OBS looking very weird there. Anyway, we need to create some player sprites to show our dinosaur like turning around. Just make some top-down movement assets. Okay, this is not working at all. Lovely. Okay, got a bunch of debugs in here. We want to add, let's see. Where's what equal to I think that should be. We want that error to stop here. That's making debug other parts of our game very difficult. Okay, so game manager showing now. Let's get rid of this. We fixed this problem, so let's just get rid of that debug. I don't know where this one scenario is coming from, but we have to check that after. Okay, so let's see. So the movement is not working at all right now. Why is that? Let's just have a look at our look direction, see what that's like. Let's save that in dinosaur. Okay, here we go. So that should update depending on what key I press. So yeah, it's 1, that's -1, 1, -1. Okay. And then if we press it again, it should just move us. Okay, here is the issue. Okay. We forgot to set our direction in that. Okay, that's nice and simple. There we go. Okay. Problem solved. So now let's just check this is actually working. So turn and then move. And turn up. Okay, yes, that's working how I want. Only problem is it's very hard to like. We actually need to add some character sprite rotation so we can actually see that change. So back to art we go. Okay, let's just focus on this character animation for now. So let's drag this out. Okay, let's just go in the background here. Let's just add a fill with a mask. Okay. So let's go to our draw tool. So we need to make a left version of this and a right version. So let's just flip it quickly. That's nice and easy. Just flip that character over. That looks very strange, but hey. Okay, now we need to make a top and down version. So let's do the forward one first. So we can just create the legs. And we're going to try and rotate this entire face across. So let's see. If we make it a bit thicker around here, copy that over and have it come like down. That doesn't look too bad, I wouldn't say. No, it looks okay. How do we do his eyes though? If we had them, what if we just had them over on the side? That looks very weird. Okay, I think his face is a bit, it looks very like triangular there. Let's like smooth this out. Maybe if we made his face wider again. Let me smooth that out a bit more. Just cut it up here. Looking very weird. Now, do we need to make an up and down one? That is a question we should ask. What if you made the eyes smaller? Yeah, let's try that, I think. I was thinking maybe if we made them like half eyes, that could work. So I'm trying to get the head shape. I can't really get the head shape to look I want. I guess that's probably the closest to that if it was like rotated down. Let's try doing the eyes a bit smaller. See how that. If dinosaur eyes are kind of like on the sides. Yeah, I'm not sure how this will work. If you have this tail coming out like the side. I think it's hard to kind of get that shape with this few colors. Let's see. Adding this tail on the side. Let's just copy that exactly. Out of there. Why is it OBS? Okay, let's try and find some inspiration. Let's try and find some nice pixel art to line characters. Why is that being pressed up? Character pixel art. Those both are really dinosaurs, so look. That's cute. Ooh. Well, maybe if we copy this shape, like rotate it. So if we get, right, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6 down, 3, 5, 6. And then go 4 across. Okay.
I am B now, leave. Bye.
Okay, see you. Nice rounded shape. This dinosaur head is very tricky to rotate right. Six, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on this one it's like that. So how do we recreate this shape? Let's redraw that. See. On this one we got this kind of shape, a bit longer. So now it's curved. So it's kind of like carrying. What if you put the eyes on the side instead of the middle? Yeah. I think I'm trying to get. I think right now I'm really focused on the head shape. I just can't get it to look how I want it. I think yeah, the eyes on further to the side. You mean like right here, like on the very edge, or like near the edge? I really like this head shape, and I'm trying to get that to like move over. Hello. Yeah, I think if we use another shade for the tail, that could look nice. Maybe more hue shifting like that, maybe a bit more purpley. A bit less purpley. Yeah, that's fine. And if we like move this in and make it a bit more rounded. Let's see. That looks okay, yeah. And then we go with the eye. I think that works for a back pose. Yeah, I think that works. That works for back pose. Okay, the front pose, so that is becoming very annoying to do. Let's just blend this a bit better. That's fine, I think, yeah. Okay, let's just get this front pose done and let's try and work out how to do this. So we want the head to be like bending down a bit. Maybe, honestly, maybe something like that will just be fine. Something simple like that, that could work. And if you have the eyes, go up on the edge. Though I think those like slits are probably good enough. Okay, let's just put in the body and let's see how this looks. That. We have the tail coming out the other side from behind. Should we just make the tail dark on all of them? That, yeah, actually that looks nice, yeah. Let's do that. And then if we just copy that tail again, make it like a tad shorter, so only this bit showing up. Okay, I would say that looks okay. It doesn't, not super happy with it blend, but I think that's as good as we can do. That this one's actually a bit taller, so let's shrink. Can't get that curve right on the head. Keep experimenting. Let's copy this and let's just keep experimenting with it for a while. Then I think that will be all for today's stream. I'm very much stream today. Like the chill lo-fi music's really nice. I'm liking that a lot. Can't get this to look right. Yeah, thanks. I'll see you later maybe. I think probably do an evening stream again. Okay, hope you have a great day. See you. This is very, very, very annoying. Okay, let's just skip that. Let's not overthink this. Let's just stick with those for now. Let's import that into Unity, I think. We can see if we can get these working. We could also try importing these like tiles things. Let's organize this a bit and get these all nicely organized and stuff. Let's make it a 9x9, or what was it, a 10x10 grid I think we're working with? Yeah. Let's go settings, set that to 10. Okay, nice. Let's organize all of these into lovely boxes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So if we save that, actually, you have a car. Do you redraw a car? Let's do that later. I might do that off stream, do some coding stuff as well. Yeah, I think if we get these working, then sometime later off stream, I'll get the movement working a bit nicer. Maybe add some cars, get them turning nice as well. And then we can also, what was I going to say? Also start working on animations again. Just go with the flow. just re-import that completely and just start afresh. So 10 pixels wide for each of them. Point filter, no compression, and let's manually. Let's auto size for now. We can go through and manually do these ones. Okay. Oh, it's only to move around. Okay. Well, these are a bit short, but it's fine. We can go through and improve the tile set later. Okay. Let's get that one to be our tile. And we get one of these rogue ones. Here, it's curve, turning one, and finally that one for diagonal horizontal road. Okay. Let's make these a little bit bigger as well, but let's make these two a bit bigger. Let's see, 12 by 12. Okay, so if they go both go 2 out. Okay, yeah. So all these blocks should be simple. Okay, nice. Okay. Let's get these implemented then. Hi Cucumber, welcome back. Should I call you Cucumber or Cucumber Guru? Which do you prefer? Okay, let's try and get this dinosaur animation working. Should we shoot animation or should we set it? You know what, let's just do it by script for now. Let's just do that, yeah. If we just create a list of sprites, we'll just move them in and out. We'll do animation at a later date. I think after this, I want to try and get the actual gameplay all working. That was going to do sprites, but we can save that for now, and let's just create sprite renderer reference. Sprite renderer. Okay, nice. Make that into an array. And then when we set the move direction, okay, so yeah, if we change the sprite then whenever we want to move, and do that based on the... Actually, we can just do that in here. Yeah, this isn't a great solution, but it's fine. And we just hard code all of these. Sprite. Then the first one will be our up sprite. Just copy this and then first over here. Then second sprite, and finally the last one, third. Okay. Let's add these in. And let's get a reference to our sprite render. Okay. Just drag. So the first one is the up one. That is when we're looking away, down, and then that's to the left, and then right. So let's see if this works. Turn, move to up. Okay, nice, that works. I think if we add some like lerp to like jump, kind of like in this game we were looking at that, you're gonna like hop between them. And I swear that sounds so loud. Okay, you can like hop between them directly. So if if we implement that somewhere, also shadow would be good. Yes, okay. So, okay. Anyway, so let's close these tabs. Okay, I think that is everything for the stream then. I'll probably do another stream later today, maybe in like, it's 3:30 for me now. So that would be at maybe like 8 o'clock for me. So that's maybe 5 hours for everyone else. 8 o'clock would be 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and 3 o'clock. Oh no, let's redo that. That would be 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time and 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Okay, so that is all for today. I will see you guys sometime later. Now, why is my OBS not working? Okay, let's just close OBS. I will see you guys later.